trial.
Get noticed in this 2011 Buick Enclave. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Owner care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Trial.